Let's learn. Sky, grass and root letters. Introduction. Letters like to live on the lines. Some letters are very tall, some are short, and some have tails that go down. Sky letters. Sky letters are tall. They reach up to the sky. We stretch our arms up when we write them. Examples. B like a tall stick. D like a tall stick and a round tummy. H tall stick with a little hump. K tall stick and a kick. L tall stick. T little tall stick. F tall and sometimes curly. Say together. These letters touch the sky. Grass letters. Grass letters are short. They sit nicely on the grass. They don't go up or down too much. Examples. A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, Z. Say together. These letters sit on the grass. Root letters. Root letters have tails. They dig down into the roots. They go under the line. Examples. G with a curly tail. J with a dot and tail. P the stick with a tummy and tail. Q a round tummy with a tail. Y like a tail going down. Say together. These letters have roots under the ground. Body movement activity. For sky letters, reach hands high up. For grass letters, sit still. For root letters, touch toes. Example. You say, B. Kids, reach up. You say, O. Kids, sit still. You say, P. Kids, touch toes. Coming up next. Teacher-made activities engaging classroom tasks. Storytelling and fun games, lesson plannings and writing practice. To teach sky, grass, and root letters. Don't miss it. Need worksheets or activities? Drop me a comment or email me at. If you'd like me to create any other resources, feel free to comment down below. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.